You're gonna wanna get close enough to your bench so your leg is sitting on top of it, right at the knee. Now, if a bench is in use or it's just too high for you, you can go ahead and use a box. However, if you're using a box, you wanna make sure that the top is soft. So you can put a pad on there because you're gonna be pivoting from the knee. So you don't wanna be super uncomfortable where it's not intended. All right, if you're used to a side bridge, you're gonna get your elbow in the position of that side bridge and then just bridge up right at that knee and then go ahead and straighten the non-supporting leg and just hold. You're gonna be fairly straight through the torso and through that leg. Now, if you're used to long side bridges, at first you're gonna be like, oh, I'm not feeling this so much. But remember, this is not predominantly an abdominal exercise. This you're gonna feel right in here. Ooh, right in your adductors. That's right. So you're gonna feel it right in here and you're gonna hold for as long as your coach has prescribed or just as long as you want if you're working out alone. Well, there we go. Ooh, that's a crotch burn. Have fun and do both sides.